Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat path. In the last video, we started Python and executed our first program. In this video, we will learn variables and data types, which are the basic building blocks of Python. So let's start. A variable is used to store data. You can think of it like a container that holds some value. These values can be mutable and can be changed. To create a variable, let's create a Python file first. We will write nano variable.py, type x is equals to 10, and then print x. To save the file, press Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Now to execute the file, write python3 variable.py, and here you can see the output. Now comes the data types. Data types define the type of data a variable can store. In Python, we use different data types to store numbers, text, and collections. These help Python understand and process data correctly. In Python, numbers are of two main types: integer, which are whole number, and floats, which are decimal numbers. Let's create a Python file first. Type nano dt.py. Now type a is equals to 5, which will be integer. Then print a. Then we will write b is equals to 3.14. This will be float value. And print b. Then comes the string value. The string is used to store text data. To make a string, we will write name is equals to bhp and then print name. To save the file, we will press Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Then we will execute the file using python3 dt.py. This will execute the file and you will get the output. You can also check the type of any variable. For this, you can write print type and the name of variable. Save the file and now execute this file again. Here you can check the type of all the variables. Now comes list. A list is a collection of items. A list can store different type of items like integer, float, string. To create a list, we will first create a file. Type nano list.py. Now type my underscore list is a variable name is equals to square brackets 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma hello. Then print the list using print and my list. Save the file and then execute it. Here you can see the output. Then comes tuple. A tuple is similar to a list, but it cannot be changed. To create a tuple, create a file first. Then write my tuple is equals to 1, comma 2, print my tuple, save the file and execute it. Then comes dictionary. A dictionary stores data in key value format. To create a dictionary, let's create a file first. nano.dict.py. Now write my dictionary is equals to. Here we have to use curly brackets. Name will be the key and value will be BHP. Similarly, name can be age, then key will be like 22. Then type print my dictionary. Save the file and then execute it. Here you can see the data in key value pair. Now let's combine everything. Go to DT file. Let's try to print all three with a single print statement. We will write print A, comma B, comma name. Save the file and then execute it using command python 3 dt.py. Here we can see the output. Now remember, variables store data and data types define what kind of data it is. So in this video we learned variables and different data types in Python. Practice these examples and in the next video we will learn operators and how to perform operations on data. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then stay sharp and this is BlackHat Math.